Started. So we have two very special guests here. These two guests are learning the art of circus skills, and so they are not familiar yet with how to use all of this equipment. So you are going to help be teachers to them, so they'll know how to use this equipment. So let's give them a round of applause for coming to join us yesterday. So these are some of the benefits that we talked about yesterday about why we're doing the circus arts. Does anyone have another reason why we're doing this? What is another reason why we're doing this particular unit right now? Yeah? Hand-eye coordination. So what does hand-eye coordination mean?
It's like,
Yeah, I think you got it.
like tossing balls,
Yeah, so like if I have this ball and I'm using the juggling ball right now and I'm tossing up in the air, what exactly am I doing? What does that have to do with eye-hand coordination? You remember what that means? Silas?
Moving your hand to where the ball will land.
Yeah, so my eyes are looking at where the ball is moving and my eyes are telling my brain where to move my hand. So I'm working on my eye-hand coordination, which helps you in all kind of sports and all activities that you do. Yeah, Julie?
I actually use eye-hand coordination in dodgeball.
Yeah, you totally do. Yeah, it crosses over into all sorts of things that you do in your life.
That's the catching part. I actually mean the dodging part. I'm great at dodgeball dodging. I'm literally the champion.
That's awesome. All right, yeah. Layla, do you want to share something else?
Use it when you eat.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, I guess when you're eating, like you're picking up your fork and making sure you do. Yeah. What is another reason why we're doing circus? Yeah.
It helps you in all different kinds of sports.
Exactly. And it's really fun and it's a unique skill that you are going to be able to have. So, we will talk a little bit more about the 4 new pieces of equipment. But first we're going to start with our warm-up game. And our warm-up game is the same as yesterday, so it's red light, green light. So if you get tagged by the red ball, you
Stop.
freeze. And the only way to get unfrozen is if the green ball, you catch the green ball, and then you have the green ball.
Just keep calm. Keep calm. One step at a time. Yeah. Do the marching thing. There you go. There you go. Baby steps. Baby steps. Keep coming. Keep coming. You got it. Keep coming to me. Yes. Nice. Baby steps. Baby steps. I like the dance with it. I like the dance. There you go. Hi, having fun.
I know. I felt like
Yeah, so you're right in front of Lo. By the door.
yeah.
Yes, Lo. Yes. comfort zone, right?